Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sveksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great today. So guys, for my today's video, I thought of doing a very basic nude makeup look with no foundation on my face. This is the look that I have created for you guys today, and I was like, a lot of people were requesting me to do a nude MLBB kind of makeup look, and they were like very interested to know as to what kind of makeup they can do for an everyday wear, and how do my makeup during summers majorly is like this, using the most minimal products and achieving a look that looks presentable and that looks really smooth. And I have created this look today. There are no false lashes for this look. There is no liner. There is no wing liners because I know a lot of people are not into all of that. So I've created this basic makeup nude look with using the most easy products that you can achieve this by. So if you guys want to see how I've created this look and really want to do a makeup that looks like this, that looks very minimal, so please keep on watching my video, guys.
As I have a bare face right now, so I'm just gonna start off by popping up some lenses in my eyes because that just completely changes the look, and I really like to apply lenses. And I'm using these lenses from Olens India in the color grey, and this is how I pop in the lenses every time using tools. Now you just need to give yourself some time for it to settle down. Moving on to a lip balm. This is from Laneage. I've talked about it numerous times and I love it. So I'm gonna lather it up very well. And now prepping up my skin is the most important step. So I'm just gonna lather up this Honey Dew Me Up primer from NYX, and this is just gonna set in and act like a sticky base for my concealer. Just wait for 2 minutes before applying the concealer or the foundation that you want to move on to. Now using this Born This Way Too Faced concealer, this is full coverage concealer, and these are all the areas where I like to apply the concealer on, just to brighten up my face and also just remove all the blemishes that I have. Using a damp sponge from Real Techniques, I'm just gonna use really smooth motions, and I'm just gonna use really small strokes to just blend it out really well. And now taking a brush for full coverage where I think I need, and I'm just gonna blend it all into my skin for a very nice skin like finish. Just take your time. And moving on to a powder, this is from Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade medium, and I'm just gonna powder my face on all the areas where I had the concealer on so that it just doesn't move. Moving on to my brows, using my most favorite brow pencil from Benefit. I'm just using very small feathery strokes and just doing my brows and filling up all the sparse areas. Next up, I'm using my Hoola bronzer. You can use any bronzer that you have, and you just have to put that up as an eyeshadow on the whole of your eyelids. As it's a nude makeup look, you do not need any shimmers. Now I'm just gonna curl up my lashes. This is the False Lash Superstar Primer, so I'm applying that. Before I apply the mascara, I'm just moving on to bronzing up my face and then applying a Smashbox Superstar mascara all over. You guys will see the instant difference in both my eyes. Can you make that out? This is how it looks. It's very simple, it's very basic. Now moving on to blush, I'm using a cream blush because I love cream blushes, and this one is my most favorite at the moment. It's in the shade Melon from Flower Beauty, and hands are the best way to blend it out. You guys will see. Now moving on to my favorite part, which is a highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna apply it on all the high points of my face, and you guys will see how nice and shimmery it all looks in the end. And also don't forget your inner eye. Moving on to lips, I had two options, but I went with the drugstore option of Nika K. This is the shade Turkish Rose by Nika K.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look and this whole tutorial, which was so easy to achieve. And if you guys really liked it and if you are going to achieve it, please make sure to send it to me on my Instagram. I would be really obliged to see all your recreations. And please share this with your friends. people who are into basic makeup and really want to look a little more presentable while going out during summers, majorly because I have used no foundation. And you can achieve this look by using all the products that you have at home at your ease. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and do all the nice things for my channel to grow. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Till then guys, please be positive and keep sharing love. Bye guys.